Hey, what's up, YouTube? I am here with a student. This student has been with me for a year, right? A little over a year? A little over a year. Yeah, this is Robert. I never called his name before, but I keep getting people asking me about, hey, how is Robert doing? How's your nervous student doing? Robert is still taking lessons. He's still nervous, but he is doing better, as you will see. Again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I'm gonna ask you to please subscribe, share the videos, share the channel, and check back often. So we're gonna go for a little ride with Robert, so you guys can see how he's doing. Yeah, we do driving lessons just on Sunday, so even though it's a long time, it's not like every day, it's just Sundays. And we have missed lots of Sundays in between. So, you know, Robert is the student that's been with me the longest, obviously. So I just felt like I needed to introduce him officially. Alright? Yeah. Alright, so just try to stay in the middle of the lane. We're just going to drive down close to the beach and come back.
Oh yeah, by different way.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go down to Commercial and then make a left and go to the beach way. Yeah. So you hear them talking now about the difference with this slow down. With this whole Delta virus and
first me say about 60. Then me say gone about 200.
200 what?
People.
I hold it, man. Nah, man, I hold it, man. I hold it more than that. The numbers in Florida are going up considerably now. This whole Delta virus is a whole new level. What they're saying now is even us vaccinated people
because in my
can spread it.
In my workplace, them say you have to have a mask. If you don't have a no mask, then suspend it for 3 days.
Well, I mean, I honestly agree, because the hospitals are filling up now with unvaccinated people. So it stands to reason, and they're saying that even if you're vaccinated, you can still spread. You can still catch it. You probably won't get as sick, but you can still spread it. So now they're recommending masks again. I wear my mask most of the time. We're not wearing masks right now, but usually I have on my mask, because even though we're both vaccinated, but it's getting a little sticky again. Alright, stay in the middle. We're gonna make our way to the left lane, because we're going to turn left on Commercial. So signal left. Don't turn left, just signal. I want you to look into the mirrors. Stay in the middle of the lane, boss. You're still going over without even looking properly. Speed up a little bit. Stay in your lane. Hold on, boss. You're doing the most. Now you can go gradually. Yeah, so you have to look up there. You have to look in the side mirror. You have to look into the blind spot, which you didn't do. And as usual, you stiffen up, you see? Alright, slow down. There's your brake, boss. So as you guys can see, even though it's been a long time, Robert is still very, very nervous and stiff. So he is determined to stick it out, and I'm determined to stick it out. So one day we'll see Robert driving smooth and getting his license like everybody else. But for now, we're still in the middle of the process. Yeah. Alright, so go ahead. Just try to stay in the middle of the lane, and we're making a left turn on Commercial. Keep going. Again, I feel like you're pressing brake and gas at the same time. Your foot needs to be more to the right side. And just relax yourself and try to stay in the middle of the lane. Try to stay in the middle. Alright. Go a little bit faster. You're only doing like 25 right now. But don't press press so hard on the gas. Look at this idiot, yo. What the hell? Did you see that, bro?
You see, he come near to him, but we never know.
That person, he just like inches. That was stupid. You're pressing too hard, right? Just press gradually on the gas, right? You're just pushing your foot down. Don't press so hard. Just press very, very gradually on the gas and control how much pressure you're putting on it. You see what I'm saying? But you see this, driving on the road, that is the one thing you can't control, or like the idiots that you're driving along with, because there was really no reason for that person to pass that close to us. You're stopping too early. Go up a little bit more. Yeah. That was ridiculous. Yo, these cars are so popular, Robert. Everywhere you look, you see them. Alright, stop here. Well, he would try to say that, but we're actually videotaping it. So he would be very, very surprised to know that he's on video doing the foolishness. Yeah, one of my students just got one. The student that I was just talking to, she got a new one actually, a 2020. Yeah, these cars are very nice. Love it. Kia Soul. Perfect for the school. You have another one there? Oh, not? Oh. Trump and Biden and whatever. Yeah. It's their world, rude boy. You're just sharing it, you know? Yeah. Right, just try to stay in the middle of the lane. You see how you kinda just try to maintain the speed. You really just need to relax, because you're just stiffening up and pushing hard and letting go, and pushing hard and letting go. So just try to maintain a certain pressure so you can maintain the speed. You know what I'm saying? Go into the left lane here. Go closer to the left. And go into the inside lane. Inside lane. Stop, go down a little bit more. Remember, you have to be able to see the tire, like about here is good. As long as you can see where the tire touched the road, then you're good. There got my car just now. My little convertible. I saw this old Corvette over here for sale. Yesterday I was driving by and I saw this guy checking it out. I would actually buy one of those. It's pretty nice though. It's raining? It's gonna rain later?
30%,
30? Yeah, but 30 is not a lot. Go ahead, stay in your lane as you go around. Easy, easy, easy. You speed up right there, boss. You see how you're pressing hard? Yeah, it's like your foot pressing the gas and the brake and all kind of things. Just try to keep it nice and even and smooth. Yeah, 30% chance of rain. That don't mean much. Exactly, because most of the time when they say that, it doesn't rain at all. Yeah. When they say like, watch your lane, you see, yeah, try to stay in the middle. When it says 80% chance of rain, then it's a good chance it's going to rain. Stop. Use the brakes, but you're waiting too long, and stay in the middle. Alright, stop here. Yeah, you just need to relax. Yeah, you see how your shoulder come down just now? Yeah, your shoulder up like that. Just keep it, come down with your shoulder. Just smooth it out, man. They go to Tesla. Sweet. Yeah, I have one more student today, and then I'm going to go listen to some music. Yeah, Sean is working until, but his last student is 5, so 6:30. Yeah, Sean is loving it. Yeah, big up Sean. My son is now working with the school. He's loving it. I'm loving it. Yeah.
Money are rolling, must love it.
You know it worked already. Yeah, you know how that go. Because he was like always working for other people, and you know, he's trying to build his own business still. Because remember I told you he started the junk removal business.
Yeah.
But you know it's in the startup stage, so those things are kind of slow. But at least now he's
business, so
yeah.
sometimes it's fast, sometimes it's slow.
Yeah, that's what you meant, Lillian. Yeah, but now he's super busy. He almost have time for nothing. So he's happy. Alright, so we're gonna go down to the beach. We're gonna make a left turn and go up A1A to Deerfield Beach. Yeah. 32 slow down. Go ahead. Alright, signal left and go into the left lane. Yeah, you go behind those cars. Slow down though, you're waiting too long to brake. See, you waited long and then you press hard. You feel me? You're supposed to take your time. Come into the lane slow and just start gradually slowing down, right? If you wait long, integral. If you wait long to slow down, then you have to press harder on the brakes to stop the car. So it's always a good idea to start slowing down early enough so you don't have to press that hard on it.
You tell me already.
I know, I told you that 1,000 times, but we still gotta tell you again, right?
I may have made a mistake.
I know, but you learn by doing, right? So repetition. So if I have to tell you 1,000,000 times, I'll tell you 1,000,000 times. That's just that simple. Alright, so you make it a left. Just follow these guys. Go ahead. Take your time. Alright. Press the gas a little bit. Easy, easy, easy. You see what I'm saying? You're just like pressing hard and then letting go. You just keep it nice, even pressure. You know what I mean? Yeah, you're still doing the pressing hard and letting go deal. Yeah, I was just telling Sean about you actually. I was like, yeah, I'm picking up my student that I've been teaching for like a year. So I'm like, okay, let me just do a video. Show people that, cause hey, and from all of my students that I've done videos on, you're literally the only one people ask about. Okay, you gotta start. Yeah, people always asking me, what happened to your nervous Jamaican student? I'm like, he's still there. And they're like, oh, okay. So yeah. So let me do an update. Let y'all know that Robert is still here. Like I said, I've never used their name in the video. But yeah. That's true. Bicycle. I guess they have some bicycle thing going on.
Went to that?
It looks like it's a sign. Sometimes you come down here and they have friggin' 20 bicycles, 30 bicycles riding together. Alright, stay in the middle. Stop right before the first light. Alright, I'm not gonna make this video super long. I just wanted to give an update on what Robert is doing. And as you see, he's doing his thing still, getting better. But still not quite there. So I'm gonna ask you guys again to like the video, share the channel, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification bell, and I will see you on the next video.